Samsung is facing significant challenges as the launch of the Galaxy S25 series, which is only 2 months away, approaches. This upcoming launch is poised to be one of the most significant in the history of the S series, potentially featuring up to 4 models, thanks to the introduction of the Galaxy S25 Slam variant. However, Samsung's ambitions have been severely affected by a major setback: their inability to bring Exynos chips back for the 2025 release. This setback, part of a larger saga surrounding Samsung's Exynos line, has been a tough blow for the company. Recent reports from Korea reveal the extent of the problem. According to local media, Samsung's yield rate for their 3nm Exynos chips is currently under 20%, which is far below the acceptable threshold for the S25 series. This is a critical issue, given the reliance on high-quality chipsets for flagship devices. The situation has gotten so dire that some rumors suggest Samsung may turn to TSMC, its biggest competitor in the chip manufacturing space, to produce Exynos chips. The idea of using TSMC for an Exynos chip is seen as a major loss of pride for Samsung, further compounding their difficulties. Despite these setbacks, there is some good news on the horizon for Samsung fans. The latest Geekbench 6 benchmark scores for the US Galaxy S25 Ultra model are out, and they are impressive. For those still skeptical about the performance of the upcoming devices, it's been confirmed by iUniverse that all Galaxy S25 models, across all markets, will come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, replacing the problematic Exynos. This means users can expect a high-performance experience from the S25 series. Additionally, Samsung has revealed the full color lineup for the Galaxy S25 series, which includes several online-exclusive colors. This move demonstrates Samsung's commitment to offering a vibrant and diverse range of options for its flagship phones, catering to a wide variety of consumer preferences. On the software front, One UI 7.0, which will run on the Galaxy S25 series, is nearing its first beta release. According to information from Twitter user Tun, the Galaxy S24 series was recently spotted running the first One UI 7 beta on test servers, signaling that the launch of the beta for the S24 series, and by extension, for the S25 series, could be imminent. It's expected that the Galaxy S25 will come with One UI 7.1, which will bring more advanced AI features and innovations to the software, offering a much richer user experience than the previous version. Lastly, there are rumors that Samsung is working on a new, innovative form factor for a smartphone or smart device set to launch in 2025. South Korean media suggest this could be something similar to Huawei's tri-folding phone, signaling that Samsung may be ready to take more risks in its product designs. Given the potential changes in leadership at Samsung's mobile division, there could be a new vision for the company's future, possibly leading to the launch of groundbreaking devices, like the world's first tri-folding Samsung phone.